When we're going to install this onto a Maserati now, please make sure that the vehicle ignition has been turned off for at least 10 minutes or unplug the battery. Here are our bits and pieces, the Obd2, the controller box and the screen. So I've already unplugged the harness here. All you need to do is plug our patch harness in on both ends. I'm going to install it on that one, and I'm going to reach up now and install it on the actual accelerator pedal itself. Nice and simple. Install this into the back of our black controller box. Now we need to install our screen into the control box as well, as you can see, just like that. But there is a lot of the wiring on the screen, so if you want to mount it wherever you want, there should be plenty of wire there. Now we have our Obd2 connector. We use the Obd2 on our controllers because we get a lot more power, it's a lot more stable, and they can be reflashed for future updates. So you'll need to locate your Obd2 location. So on the Maserati, it's just here. We're going to plug it in there. If you can't find it, please contact us and we'll be able to assist. Plug that into the controller box here. Make sure all of the connections are nice and firm. And there you have it. So that's installed on our controller box, and we're going to get to the calibration video now. So now that the controller is installed, we just have to do a short programming procedure just to mate the controller to our vehicle. So turn the ignition on and it will say use. All you need to do is hold down M until the little buttons count all the way up to the right. And then it will flash blank. All you need to do is let go of the M button. It will flash L. Now all you need to do is press the M button again, and then it's H. Now put your foot on the accelerator pedal all the way down. On some vehicles, you will need to push the pedal down really hard to get the max H number displayed. Our controller is a lot more responsive compared to other units on the market, thus we've included a software and hardware fix to prevent cell lights. This also allows us to get more performance from our unit. On the back of the black controller box, you will need to adjust the jumper caps accordingly. The H number that was displayed just before will determine which setting to use. So now it's on standard. This is your battery voltage gauge. There's a few other options on here as well, but as you can see, as I push down on the accelerator pedal, the voltage numbers change. So that's all that is. That's just your battery voltage. So you can ignore that. I will show you how to activate the anti-theft. Just on standard screen, hold the top arrow, and after a short while you see a little lock symbol come on. So if you go to accelerate now, you won't be able to accelerate, even with the car turned on, and even with the keys in the ignition. So now if you want to turn that off, same thing, standard top arrow until the little light turns off. So we have our eco, and that you can scroll up or down for less response. So the higher the number in eco is the less response. So now we have our Sport++. So on idle, this is going to just increase our RPM just a little bit. This is for racing, and after the countdown turns off, it will deactivate. This is our sport mode, and it goes all the way from 1 to 13. You can scroll down or you can scroll up, whatever you'd like. Just use the up and down buttons. The higher the mode, the more responsive it is. 13 is pretty crazy in most vehicles. It's really responsive, as you can sort of see. But you can scroll down and select whichever mode you'd like. And then we're back to standard. So we have standard, eco, sport, and we have our SP Plus mode.